Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 1997 Porsche 993 Turbo, courtesy of Brian here at Hatch Motors. Absolutely awesome car and one of the last air-cooled Porsches, so let's go out and take it for a drive. Oh, love the door latches too. Fantastic. Is it power?
Power on the side left, yeah.
Oh wow. There we go. Floor mounted clutch. That's a first. Oh yeah, instantly it's way different from the Z8.
Yeah. Complete different, right?
Oh
Still
yeah.
awesome, just a total different car. Like
I was saying before, this is my first air-cooled.
First time in an air-cooled car?
First time in an air-cooled car.
Well, you're in a good one.
Oh my goodness. What a car. It's, like we were saying, extremely agile. It just wants to go. It's
right.
Awesome.
You can give it a little going up the hill.
Oh. What a machine. You know, this is back when 911s were pretty small cars. I mean, they're not massive cars now, but these cars were tiny compared to the modern 911s. Just gonna get a little open. Do these have AC? I thought that.
Yeah.
Do you mind if we turn that on just a little bit? Perfect. I run warm. You were right, it takes a while for these to warm up. I'm trying to think of what this car's competitors were back in the day, because I'm thinking F50 was same period, but I don't think these cars were very, very similar. Oh, 512 TR. That was
yeah, that would be definitely one of its competitors.
And it's just, for being a 1997, power feels modern. You know, 400 horsepower even still today is pretty good. And you could see 0 to 60 numbers with these. Very low 4s and even high 3s, which is insane. Are these manual brakes, power assisted, do you know?
No, they have a brake booster.
Oh, they do?
Yep,
Okay.
Yep, they have a brake booster.
So like it's a very firm brake pedal. Then again, I normally drive modern stuff, so.
At the light, we're gonna take a right.
All right, awesome. Sorry. Good God. That's awesome. Wow. Oh, Porsches, man. Overall, man, this is a car and a half. Thank you so much, Brian.
No, you're welcome. Glad to share it.
Absolutely. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.